Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the contacts list, to the contacts application. Here you have to select contact which you want to add photo, tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to add photo. Select if you want to take photo or if you want to select one from the gallery. Here you can select photo which you like. Then you can crop and adjust it like this. And then tap done and save. And as you can see, photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.